Hi, I'm Todd Finnerty, and this is your Membership Minute. Factbook is now out, and I'm sure everyone has read it cover to cover. If you've already finished the thriller of a publication, good for you. If you haven't, you can catch up by watching the Joint Channel Forecast webinar that is now available on the Digital Hub. And if you still have questions, make sure to register for the live webinar with our very own Mike Chung this coming Thursday at 2 p.m. And if that's not enough data, you can also check out our Confidence Indices report and the latest Jefferies Weekly Global Automotive Aftermarket report. Oh, and just a reminder, the in-person data standards training is taking place June 16th and 17th in Farmington Hills, Michigan. That is next week, so I hope you're good to go. Then, on the legislative front, our government affairs team was super busy with our annual Auto Care on Deck event that took place during the congressional baseball game. A big thank you to our sponsors Fleet Pride and HDA Truck Pride for making the event a home run. Until next time, this is your Membership Minute.